He has represented Jamaica and his school on the field. He has had a very interesting career. This week we meet track and field athlete and former St. Jago High track star, Chad Walker.
Are we still a win? Whoa, are we still a win? We still a win, we still a win. Are we still a win? Them girl keep the black thing shining. We still a win. Are we still a win?
How did you get involved in track and field?
Track and field was always, what made I say, love, or I was always fascinated by the speed. From I was going to basic school, prep school, I didn't get the chance to do it at the early stages, but as soon as I got the chance in fourth form, it was up and going. The form was at Jamaica College. I started late 2012, 2013, and I did 1 semester or 2 semesters training with Jamaica College. As soon as the championships finished, that's boys and girls champs, I went straight to St. Jago to train with Danny Horton. I competed once at Boys and Girls Championships in 2015. That was excellent. I got to run with some of the best juniors for that time of that year. For example, Michael O'Hara and the Raheem Chambers them. It was good because I was right there with them.
Are we still a win? Whoa, are we still a win? We still a win, we still a win. Are we still a win? Them girl keep the black thing shining. We still a win. Are we still a win?
I haven't done that much as a senior as yet. All of them would remember me from a St. Jago aspect, and going to the national trials in 2017 and running the other day at Gibson Relays, running the world leading time in the 4x1 and all of that. They would remember me from that, and that I am an upcoming, as we would call, star. Character Games was excellent. Going into the championships with your fellow Jamaican athlete, may I say the Jamaicans are the best in the Caribbean. They are proving some of the best athletes and coming straight out of Boys and Girls Championships here on a level where that you're going to be the best, you're at your best. It was good. I went there with Javon Matheson from Kingston College, and I won, he came second. It was a good experience. To reach a professional level is the ultimate goal, because just to live that kind of lifestyle, I wouldn't say it is a dream, but just to live that kind of lifestyle where you go onto the track, you fly all over the world, you compete in front of millions of people, in front of thousands of people, and you just entertain them with what you love. That's what I want to do. When I see the Asafa Powell and the Shelley and Fraser Price and the Usain Bolt taking a victory lap at any World Championships or the Olympic Games or just at a regular Diamond League, the looks on their faces when they win, the will to win, that is what got my attention, and that is what I wanted for myself. Just to win, nothing but that. If it's not that, it don't really make no sense. Once you win anywhere at all, it could be in practice, it could be at a trial, it could be at a regular meet, you get addicted to winning. So once you win that one time, the drive that you're going to have to want to win again, that is what keeps me motivated, just to be the best and on top of everyone, just to be my best, and my best will be enough.
And if the career in track and field doesn't work out, what's your backup plan?
Absolutely, that's a good question. That would be engineering and physiotherapy. Injuries, you're gonna have some good days, you're gonna have some bad days. What I could say about the bad side of track and field is that whenever you get an injury, it could be whatever, it could be anything. Whenever you get an injury, don't get depressed, don't be sad. You should have that same drive that you would normally have when you're healthy, and communicate with your coaches, communicate with the physiotherapists, stay motivated.
For you, what's the top prize that you're aiming for?
The top prize is obviously what we all want to be, a world champion or an Olympic champion, just to be the best version of ourselves. That is the goal. The best version of myself. Once I am the best version of myself, all of that will fall into place. That is my goal, just to be the best version of Chad Walker.
Now after all that talk about tracks, let's cool down with another health benefit of drinking water. Listen up.
This tip is brought to you by Crystal Punch Refreshing Spring Water. Water prevents bad breath. Have you ever hung out in a crowd of runners after a marathon or a 5K run? You'd be wise to remain at a comfortable distance when speaking. Bad breath is often a clear sign of dehydration. In addition to the food that you eat, dehydration can also cause bad breath. Drinking a sufficient amount of water washes away leftover food particles and oral bacteria that leads to bad breath. This tip was brought to you by Crystal Punch Refreshing Spring Water.
Oh Lord of mercy, mercy, mercy. Diana King's worldwide hit Shy Guy, the Caribbean video and the Magnum Top 10, all when we return.
We a top man, we take charge. Magnum we drink and we a shell down bars. Blast like a star with some gallopers. Overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge, take charge.
We a hot gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. Hot blend, back bend, and take charge, take charge. Ready for the video, we a prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we a headline. We back, we talk, we own waistline. Cut the cart, now we ready for the wine. Take charge, take charge.
You know hide with the Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place rockle. Now we turn up in a start. Take charge, take charge. Magnum. Overdo it, we take it too far.
Wine with the style. Wine with the style.
Magnum tonic wine for the real star them. Take charge, take charge. Magnum.
Monday with family, friends, and fun at Fun Fest. Fly above the trees in the high-flying trampoline, zip line, fun zone, gauge arcade, family bingo, frozen trees, and mascot parade. Admission adults 700, children over 3 years 500, and toddlers free. Cadbury Fun Fest, April 22nd, Easter Monday at Hope Gardens. Gates open at 10 a.m. to